Hello everyone, I am Yash Patel. So welcome back to my channel Django World. So in today's video we are going to see one another concept which is known as containers. So here what I will do is I will separate this navbar to another file. So first I am going to create one kind of folder in templates folder. I will create containers, hit enter, and I will create file in container which will be underscore navbar. So underscore represents the parser or container. So write underscore. It is not necessary to put underscore, but it is good practice if you put underscore if you are making any parser or container. Hit enter. Cut this navbar and paste it over here. Now we need to include this navbar in base.html, but before that let me run the server. So I will delete this, create another terminal, and I will write python manage.py run server. Once server is up and running, go to the link. You can see our navbar has been gone. So here in base.html we will write include, and in single or double quotation I will write containers / underscore navbar .html. Refresh and our navbar should be back. Okay, now in navbar I am going to create login and sign up button. So for now I am going to remove this search bar and I will copy this and paste it below. Now here I will remove this ME because it will give right margin. I don't want that. And I will write here login. I will write here sign up. Okay, I will remove these URLs because we are going to create separate URLs. Come over here and refresh. You can see we have got these two buttons. Okay, so we want this to left side. So I will write here justify content end. Refresh, it's not working. I don't know why. Okay, so we need to do this out of this div tag. Paste it, refresh, and this should go on the right side. Okay, now so this is it for today's video, guys. So in next video we will create login page and sign up page. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next one. Thank you.